Welcome to our video on 10 reasons why you can't focus and how to fix it. In this video, we will explore some common obstacles that hinder your ability to concentrate and provide some practical strategies to help you stay focused and productive. Whether you are a student, professional, or someone who wants to improve their focus, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Reason 1. Lack of sleep. The first reason why you can't focus is a lack of sleep. When you don't get enough sleep, your brain struggles to function correctly, and you may find it challenging to concentrate on your work or studies. To overcome this, ensure you get enough sleep each night and establish a consistent sleep routine. Reason 2. Multitasking. The second reason why you can't focus is multitasking. Many people believe that multitasking helps them be more productive, but in reality, it can hinder your ability to concentrate. To overcome this, prioritize your tasks and focus on one thing at a time. Reason 3. Poor nutrition. The third reason why you can't focus is poor nutrition. Your brain requires adequate nutrients to function correctly, and a poor diet can hinder your ability to concentrate. To overcome this, eat a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Reason 4. Stress. The fourth reason why you can't focus is stress. When you are stressed, your brain produces cortisol, which can interfere with your ability to concentrate. To overcome this, practice stress-reducing techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, or exercise. Reason 5. Technology distractions. The fifth reason why you can't focus is technology distractions. Social media, email, and instant messaging can all be distracting and prevent you from concentrating on your work or studies. To overcome this, limit your use of technology and create boundaries to avoid distractions. Reason 6. Lack of exercise. The sixth reason why you can't focus is a lack of exercise. Regular exercise has been shown to improve cognitive function and help you stay focused. To overcome this, incorporate physical activity into your daily routine, even if it's just a short walk or stretching. Reason 7. Boredom. The seventh reason why you can't focus is boredom. When you are not interested in a task, it can be challenging to concentrate. To overcome this, try to find ways to make the task more engaging or break it up into smaller, more manageable tasks. Reason 8. Lack of clarity. The eighth reason why you can't focus is a lack of clarity. If you are unclear about what you need to do, it can be challenging to stay focused. To overcome this, clarify your goals and break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. Reason 9. Procrastination. The ninth reason why you can't focus is procrastination. When you delay starting a task, it can become more challenging to concentrate. To overcome this, use time management techniques, such as the Pomodoro technique, to break up your work into manageable time. The Pomodoro technique involves working for a set amount of time, typically 25 minutes, and then taking a short break before resuming work. Reason 10. Mental health issues. Voiceover. The 10th reason why you can't focus is mental health issues. Depression, anxiety, and other mental health conditions can impact your ability to concentrate. To overcome this, seek professional help and practice self-care techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, or therapy. Thank you for watching our video on 10 reasons why you can't focus and how to fix it. We hope that you found these tips and strategies helpful in improving your focus and productivity. Remember, staying focused requires effort and practice, but with the right mindset and techniques, you can achieve your goals and succeed in your work or studies. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you, and see you in the next video.